If you're teaching the Bible to a Sunday school or Bible study class, you can make the Bible come alive with the Accordance Atlas or Photo Guide. Let me show you a couple of neat features here. So I'm reading through Jonah 1, and it talks about how Jonah rose to flee to Tarshish from the presence of the Lord, and he went down to Joppa. Now, when Jonah was first in this passage, he was in Jerusalem. So he would have made the trip from Jerusalem to Joppa. And what's neat is I can go to the library and I can open up an atlas pane and I can take a 3D slice of Jerusalem and Joppa. So I'm going to zoom in to my map a little bit here, and then I'm going to select the area between Jerusalem and Joppa. And then I'm going to take a 3D slice. In fact, I'll make this a little more prominent so we can really see this better. There we go. And what's neat about this is Jerusalem is up here in the mountains, but Joppa is down here on the coast. So as Jonah was fleeing from the presence of the Lord, and as he was going downward in his spiritual condition, he was also going downward in his physical condition. So his physical descent and his spiritual descent paralleled each other. And you can see that with this 3D map here in Accordance. And it's just really neat to be able to illustrate that truth to the people that you are teaching. Another neat feature in Accordance is we can amplify to the photo guide. So if I select Nineveh in my Bible and then hit the amplify button and then hit visual and then select the photo guide overview, I can receive a really great article on Nineveh that I can use for teaching purposes, as well as some really great imagery as well. So we can see some reconstructed walls and some other ancient walls. And we see some other figurines here as well. And then I can even go to Nineveh's article in the other photo guide book and see some other great pictures as well. So here's a tomb of Jonah as well, and another relief, and so some other great imagery as well. So if you're going to be teaching the Bible in a Sunday school or Bible study setting, make sure to incorporate the Accordance Atlas and Photo Guide into your lesson plan, because it's going to really allow you to make the Bible come alive and illustrate some of these concepts to those you're teaching.